Let's DIY a tool for Airpods battery replacement. First, grind off the top area of the tweezers to avoid sharp edges that might damage the battery. Make the tip slightly thicker to improve durability. Then bend the top section inward. Do some slight adjustments to ensure both sides are well aligned. Apply a few drops of alcohol to soften the glue around the battery. Now the DIY tool will fit perfectly to hold the battery. With the glue softened, you can easily pull the battery out for replacement.